when I told it, like when I want to search it, for example, नहीं ऐसा नहीं आएंगे, ऐसा नहीं आएंगे, जहाँ से नहीं. Guys, stop your queries, keep your queries. We'll keep it for the end. We'll keep it for the end. Now I'll be explaining one concept for you. Just understand this now. Okay. Whatever I'm teaching you now is like nothing but hashing, right? So hashing. What is this hashing? Look under there, guys. When I wanted to search it one element, okay, over here, what I was doing it in linear search, what was happening it was coming here and it was getting it. If I want to search 9, it was going till n. If I want to search 5, I want to check it everything and I will get it 5, right? अगर से 10 search कर रहा हूँ, ये मिल जाता है, right? Where it is in the binary search, what happens? It will go for always the midpoint, right? इसी को ध्यान रख के उन्होंने हैश टेबल्स बनाया है, ओके? इसका टाइम कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी का अचीव करने के लिए 0 of 1 करके बिग O of 1 अचीव करने के लिए, ओके? जो भी एलिमेंट ले लो आपको बिग O of 1 ही आएगा. इसको अचीव करने के लिए वो हैशिंग टेबल को अचीव कर रहे हैं, ओके? दे आर स्विच टू हैशिंग टेबल, ओके? नाउ कमिंग टू दिस वन. If you ask me according to me, which is the best search engine, okay, I can tell it as like Google will be the, sorry, not Google, like YouTube will be the search best one, right? You just imagine, guys, you search it in Google, okay, you will be not getting the accurate one, मिलेगा, but not accurate one. But you search it in YouTube, you will get the exact accurate one. इतना data होके भी, इतना वीडियो का कंटेंट होके भी वो accurate होके सर्च करेगा, right? The string search is there, right? Over there it is like little accurate. आपको जो भी search करना है आपको मिल जाएगा, right? Now coming to this one, that searching efficiency should be like very much high, right? Now coming to here, guys, what they do is I will take some data, random data. I will take it as 5, 6, 7, 9. I'll take it like this. I'll take it random data, okay? I want to store it in array, okay? I want to store it in what? Array, okay? I'll take it as an index called as 0, 1, 2, 3. ये ऐसा बोल रहा है, इसमें hashing table में ऐसा बोलता है, while storing itself. How do we store it normally? We will store it one after other. 5 इधर आएगा, 6 इधर आएगा, 7 इधर आएगा, 9 इधर आएगा, right? ऐसा ही store करेंगे ना हम, randomly हम store करते जाएंगे, one by one we'll be storing it. Now what they are telling is while storing itself, you store with a logic. एक logic रख के आप store करो data को, right? For example, what is that logic is? I'll be storing in the form of key modulus of yum. I'll tell it. Okay, what is key, guys? Key is nothing but 5. Key is nothing but 5. Okay, whatever the element I'm passing it. Modulus of m means the number of blocks. How many number of blocks I have it? 1, 2, 3, 4. I'll tell it as 4 number of blocks. अक्सर मैं m को number of blocks ही लूंगा. M can be something else also, but अक्सर मैं m को modulus of, sorry, ये number of blocks ही लूंगा, okay? Majority of time, okay? So now coming to this one, 5 modulus of 4. What is 5 modulus of 4, guys? What is 5 modulus of 4? 5 modulus of 4 is what? 1, right? ये बोल रहा है, you need to go for the first index. You need to go for the first index and say the data called as what? 5. Right? Say the data called as what? 5. Okay. Next value is what? 6. 6 modulus of 4. What is 6 modulus of 4? It is giving you what? 2. Right? It is telling that go to indexing 2 and save it what? 6. Done. Again, what I'm telling it? Again, one more data I have it. 7. 7 modulus of 4. What is 7 modulus of 4? It is anything but what? 3. It is telling that go to 3 and save it what? 7. इससे क्या फायदा होगा? While searching it, okay, one person will come. Oh, I want to search a data called as 7. Check there is a data called as 7 here. I will go for 7. Okay, so I will tell it as how do I search it, right? How do I search it? I'll tell it as just simple. I will tell it as 7 modulus of 4. I will tell it. What it will give me? It will give me 3. Directly, I will go for 3 and I will get the data. Got it? This becomes what? Big O of 1. The efficiency. Correct, right? Whereas in the linear search, it was going to here and was searching. 7 है क्या, 7 है क्या, 7 है क्या, 7 है क्या, oh 7 इधर, return it, right? The time complexity will become what, n. In the binary search what happens, it will go for here, it will divide it, oh इसमें आ सकता है, probability of getting data is here, now again it will divide it, okay ये है data, right? You are getting my point, right? This will overcome this will overcome, but here there is some problems, guys. There are some problems. What are the problems? I will tell it. Okay, what are the problems? I will just explain it. What is the problem now? Yeah,
सर अगर जैसे अगर मॉड्यूलस सेम आया तो जैसे नंबर्स का या मल्टीपल अगर हो नंबर,
मैं करूंगा, मैं कर रहा हूं. Okay, wait a second. Okay, after all my explanation, I know you have the queries. That's really good. You have the queries. Okay, so I'll explain everything, whatever it comes. After that, for your queries, I will answer it. Okay, I'm not done it. Okay, 9 के लिए मैं खड़ा आया हूँ. क्यों खड़ा आया हूँ? क्योंकि ये collision होता है. There is a concept called as a collision. Collision आने के when it is coming to the collision, what I'll be switching to. Okay, then they thought, okay, this is getting you collision for you. Okay, now I will tell it as now 9 modulus of 4. क्या आ रहा है 9 modulus of 4? 9 modulus of 4 क्या आ रहा है? 1 आ रहा है, right? That what this 1 indicates, okay, I want to go to 1, I want to store what, 9, right? But here already you have 5, right? This is what it is called as collision. इसका problem ये होता है, okay? इसका problem ये हो सकता, ये आता है. How they have overcome? Okay, later they thought they gave one theory. Okay, they gave one theory called as something like this. Okay, अगर से इधर collision आ रहा है, अगर से इधर collision आ रहा है, मैं क्या करूंगा, मैं नेक्स्ट वैल्यू देखूंगा whether this one is free or not. मुझे 9 स्टोर करना है, मुझे 9 स्टोर करना है. नेक्स्ट वैल्यू को मैं कैसे ढूंढूंगा, मैं I will tell that 9 plus I करूंगा. Okay, I will start from where 0 to n minus 1. Okay, ऐसा मैं सर्च करूंगा. Okay, so after that I will tell it as modulus of n करूंगा, modulus of n करूंगा. क्या आ रहा है इसका? 0 का यही आएगा, 0 का यही आएगा. I will start it from 1. 9 plus 1 क्या आएगा? 10. 10 modulus of m क्या है? 1 है, 2 है, right guys, 2 है. I will go for 2, but there is a already data. Okay, no problem. I will increment now. I will tell it as 9 हो गया, 9 का plus 1 हो गया, 9 का plus 2 करो, right? 9 को plus 2 करो. Now when I tell plus 2, what it will return it? Modulus of 4, what will return it? It will return me 4 now, right? It will return me what? Sorry, it will return me what? 3 now. I will go for 3. In 3 also you have data, right? Again I will tell it. Okay, I will tell it as 9 plus 3. I will tell it 9 plus 3 modulus of 4. I will tell it 9 plus 3 क्या है? 9 plus 3 है 12. 12 modulus of 4 क्या है? 0 है, right? It is telling that go to 0 if this is free and save what? 9. I'll be saving here 9. ऐसा सेव करने बोला है. ओके, एक क्रम ये लीनियर के जैसा ही हो गया, लीनियर जैसा ही वर्क कर रहा है. इधर जा रहा है, चेक कर रहा है, इधर जा रहा है, चेक कर रहा है, इधर जा रहा है, चेक कर रहा है, right? This is something called as linear thing, right? So in this order it will save it. In this order it will save it. Got my point? Even here also there is a loophole, right? When there is a collision, right? When there is a collision, what happens? It is doing what? Linear. It is storing in the linear order. Okay, linear order. To overcome this, they will come with two concepts. Okay, they'll come with two concepts. Okay, so you got to know what is this hash table is, right? So you got to know what is this hash table is, right? So you will be having like this, the key modulus of m. This is very important for you, and it is while storing itself, it will store in the logical format. एक logic बना के store करते हैं, right? When they want to retrieve the data, they will tell that same logic, they will apply it and they will get the data for it, right? So now coming to here, guys, coming here. To overcome this, they have come with the two concepts. Okay, what are the two concepts? Okay, so one is open hashing, other one is close hashing. Open hashing and close hashing. Okay, so I'll just change the color of the pen. Open hashing and closing. This is also called as open hashing is also called as, okay, open hashing is also called as, okay, I can tell it as closed addressing. Okay, addressing. Closed hashing is also called as open addressing. एक थोड़ा confusion है, नाम में थोड़ा confusion है, not to worry about it. Okay, open hashing and close hashing, or else you can tell it as close addressing and open addressing. You can refer any one of the name, you can remember it. Don't remember two things, it will be confusing thing. Okay, open hashing के लिए open addressing नहीं आता है, close addressing आता है. Okay, open hashing is nothing but what? Close addressing. Close hashing is nothing but what? Open addressing. Okay, so मैं बोलता हूँ क्या है करके. Okay, so not worry about it. In this first one, something called as open, or else I'll use the word called as close addressing itself. Okay, normally I'll use it what? Close addressing. Close addressing में concept है something called as chaining. Close address में क्या है? Chaining है. Second one में, okay, so in this open addressing में, okay, open addressing में you have three concept. Okay, इसमें आ जाएगा concept, आ जाएगा probing का concept आ जाएगा. Okay, first one is what? Linear probing. Second one is like quadratic probing. Okay, and third one is double hashing. Okay, third one is what? Double hashing. Okay, so close addressing में chaining है, and open addressing में linear, quadratic and double. Okay, so let's concentrate on chaining. Close addressing में chaining क्या कैसे solve कर रहा है, कैसा resolve कर रहा है. Okay, for example, same input I will take it. I'll be having a data. This is on the chaining, guys. Okay, this was on the chaining now. This is on the chaining. Okay, so I'll be having a data here. I'll just tell it as like 0, 1, 2 and 3. Okay, whenever I want to save the data, for example, the key element will be 5 now, right? क्या होता है 5 बोलते क्या होता है? 5 modulus of 4 होता है, right? Mod 4 होता है. क्या है ये? 1 है, right? Whenever I want to save it, it will save it in the form of what? It will go here and it will save it 5. Okay, now again I have it something called as 6, right? 6 modulus of 4. What is 6 modulus of 4? 2. We'll go for second index and save it. For example, if I have 10, okay, maybe like I have like 13, right? 13 modulus of 4. क्या आएगा? 13 modulus of 4. 13 modulus of 4 आएगा, 1 आएगा, right? So when it is coming here, there is a collision now, right? When there is a collision, guys, it will store in the form of what? A linked list. Okay, linked list के formation में store हो जाएगा. Okay, collision आ रहा है, linked list के formation में हो जाएगा. इधर आएगा 5 और इधर आएगा क्या? 6 आ जाएगा आपका, sorry 13 आ जाएगा. Okay, so here इसका एड्रेस है मान लो 1000 है, इसका एड्रेस है मान लो 2000 है. यहाँ पे 1000 स्टोर होगा. So ये इसे पॉइंट कर रहा है, यहाँ पे like 2000 लिख लो, ये इधर पॉइंट कर रहा है. Same thing, linked list will format. Okay, for example, I have it like 14 modulus of 4. 14 modulus of 4 क्या होगा इसका? इसके आंसर क्या आएगा? 2 आएगा. It will go for the second index. It will tell that okay, I have already here 6 and I have already now what? 14. Got it? ये है आपका chaining है. This is called as what? Chaining. Okay, so open hashing में क्या है? Open hashing में क्या है concept है? Chaining concept है. This is what the chaining is. Okay, so I'll give you one example, guys. So that you will get to know, okay, what I mean to tell you. Okay, how it is actually stored. So you will easily get to know how it is. Okay, so wait a second. Okay, I'll be having a question, guys. One question I'll be having it. Okay, I'll solve one question so that you will get to know how it is. Okay, they are telling that I have a 9 slots. Okay, they are telling that I have a 9 slots. Okay, I'll just draw the 9 slots. Okay, so I'll just tell it as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Okay, they are given numbers. Okay, they have given the hash code. They are given the hash code. This will, they will give it. Okay, hash code has what? They have given it has like k itself. This is the equation they will give it. Okay, and they have given the mod. They have given the mod also. Mod is nothing but what? 9. They are given the mod. As I told you, it will be like number of the count. What is the count? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 और एक चाहिए 9, right? 9. So I'll just tell it as indexing 0 1 2 2 3 4 5 6 and 7 and 8. Then guys, they have given some number. I'll just tell it the number. I'll just tell it as 5 comma 5 comma 28 comma 19 comma 15, right? On more few numbers are there like 33 comma like 12 comma 17 comma 10. Okay, so this is all the numbers they have given it. I want to insert this to the to what to a table, right? So to an array, right? So now how do I insert it? How do I insert it? For example, now what I'll do is, as I told you, I'll do it as mod of switch off the mic, switch off the mic, switch off the mic. 5 mod of 9. What is 5 mod of 9, guys? What is 5 mod of 9? It will be what? 5 itself, right? It will go for the 5th index. It will go for the 5th index. It is in the chaining, guys. Since it is in a chaining, I'll write it like this itself. I'll tell it as what? 5 itself, like this, right? I'll tell it as like this, 5, right? So now again, I'm telling it, I'm taking with what? I'm taking with what? 28, right? So I'll tell it as 28 mod of 9. 28 mod of 9. What is 28 mod of 9? What is 28 mod of 9? 1. So it will go for the 1th index and will tell that, okay, inside here, I want to store what? 29, 28, I'll store it, right? So again, I'm telling it 19. So what is this 19 modulus of 1? 19 modulus of 1. Sorry, 9. 19 modulus of 9 is what? Again, it is what? 1 itself, right? Again, it is coming to here. Since it is chaining, I'll be connecting like this. So this will become what? 19 here, right? So again, 15 modulus of 9. What is 15 modulus of 9? What is 15 modulus of 9? 15 modulus of 9 is nothing but what? 6. I'll come to the 6th index and I'll store it what? I'll store it what, guys? 15 I'll store it, right? Next one is 33. 33 modulus of 9. 33 modulus of 9 is what, guys? ये हो जाएगा 3 plus 3 6. Again it is 6, right? So it is coming to the 6th index and it is saying what? 33 here, right? Again it is saying that 12 modulus of 9. What is 12 modulus of 9? 12 modulus of 9 is nothing but what? 3 itself, right? So it is coming to the third one and is saying it has 9 here, right? So 9 here 12 हो गया. Next one is 17. 17 modulus of 9. What is 17 modulus of 9? 8 हो जाएगा, right? So 17 modulus of 9 आएगा ये 8 होएगा. 17, okay, 80 होएगा, right? So here it will be what? 17, right? Last one is 10. Last one is what? 10. 10 modulus of what? 10 modulus of what? 9. 10 modulus of 9 is what? 1 itself. So it will come here for 1th index and it's showing what? 10. Right? For example, guys, for example now, okay, if I want to search the element called as 33, if I want to search element called as 33, what I will do it, guys, now? Simply I will tell it 33 modulus of 9, right? 33 modulus of 9 is what? 6. I will go for the 6th index and I will search it here. Okay, I'll say 33 है क्या? नहीं है, 33 नहीं है. 33 है क्या? हाँ, 33 है. Send the index. If you don't have the index, what? -1. Okay, that becomes very much easy for you. That becomes what? Very much easy for you. Okay, so this is what it is. Okay, now coming to here, guys. Okay, so coming to here, they were asking me maximum length of this chain, minimum length of this chain, and average length of this chain, right? Maximum. What is the maximum length of this chain? This is the maximum, guys. This is the maximum. 1, 2, and 3. 3 is what? Maximum. What is minimum? Minimum means chain bhi nahi hai, bilkul nahi hai, chain bilkul nahi hai, right? You have the elements. That means what? 0. Right? What is average? Average is nothing but what? 3 plus 0 divided by 2. It is nothing but what? 1. इसका आ जाएगा maximum 3 आ जाएगा, minimum 0 आ जाएगा, average आके 1 आ जाएगा. Got it? Guys done? So this is all about what? This is all about what? Chaining. इसका drawback क्या है? इसका drawback क्या है? Drawback क्या है? देखिए इसका drawback ऐसा है कि क्या है मेमोरी ज्यादा कंजप्शन करेगा ओके व्हाट इफ द ऑल द एलिमेंट्स आर पासिंग ओनली वन सभी एलिमेंट इसमें ही आ जाएंगे राइट ये आप ये एक लिंक लिस्ट का कॉन्सेप्ट हो जाएगा it will become what linked list concept right that is one problem that is one problem for you okay and again it is like addressing store करने के लिए भी it is an integral division Shika so it will be like one itself right it's an integral division okay so इधर एड्रेस भी सेव करना है तो मेमोरी ज्यादा कंजप्शन करेगा right so this is the drawback of this one okay that's the reason they came up with something called as probing okay they came up with something called as
सर इसमें एवरेज मिन मैक्स डिवाइडेड बाय 2 होगा या फिर सबका समेशन करके तब फिर निकालना होगा जैसे कि 3 + 1 + 1 + 2 + 1 और उसके बाद फिर डिवाइड करना होगा या फिर मिन मैक्स बाय 2 बस
ऐसा भी कर सकते हो आप 3 प्लस मैक्सिमम प्लस मिनिमम डिवाइडेड बाय 2 ही होता है एवरेज आपका
ठीक
okay whenever you want to calculate like that you will be calculating that way in that order sir okay 5% this one क्या है ये है की वैल्यू की मॉडुलस ऑफ m की मॉडुलस ऑफ m जो भी हम पहले बताए थे वही है के मॉडुलस ऑफ m के है की एलिमेंट है जो भी मैं एलिमेंट ला रहा हूं मैं बोला ना कहाँ स्टोर करना है करके सो इसलिए मैं परसेंटेज ऑफ m करके मैं इस तरह स्टोर करता हूँ ओके नाउ ओके wait a second wait a second guys wait a second okay there is a concept called as a linear probing okay so there is a concept called as linear probing this one thing I'll explain it what is this is okay linear probing okay probing के बारे में आपको जाना पड़ेगा probing के ऊपर क्या है करके okay now coming to this one they have told it okay they will give one hash code guys they will give one hash code okay so it can be anything hash code they will give it okay it can be anything hash code okay has here the hash code was what k right here also they will give a hash code for me I will take an example of like 2k plus 2 itself I'll take it or else 3 I will take it whatever it is okay 2k plus 2 okay and again they will give a mod also okay they will give what mod also I'll just take it as mod as 6 okay I'll just take it as mod as 6 okay now they have told it okay this will be like normal itself I want to have 6 elements here that means I have 6 elements here right so I have 6 elements here 0 1 2 3 4 and here it is 6 okay so I'll be having one more table guys which will be tracking all those things okay which will be tracking
0 1 2 3
okay yeah okay so now what I'll be having it I'll be having a key I'll be having a u it is nothing but what location tracker I'll be having it here one other one is like probing I'll tell you why it is probing ऐसा क्यों probing मैं ले रहा हूं कि जब भी मैं linear का करूंगा इधर जब भी मैं किया था किधर इधर क्या था right 9 I don't know where this 9 is going on right if I go on searching it I don't know where this 9 is going on I need to keep on searching till I get 9 if I have a prob okay prob means okay कितने बार मैंने jump किया हुआ है कितनी बार मैंने कैलकुलेशन किया हुआ है उतनी बार मैंने माइनस कर दिया तो मुझे मिल जाएगा इधर कितनी बार किया है probing one time I did probing two time I did it and third time I did it this is my third probing that is what called as probing दिस इज माय थर्ड प्रॉबिंग. ओके, सो जब भी मैं 9 सर्च करूंगा, मैं क्या करूंगा, 5 मॉडुलस ऑफ 9 मॉडुलस ऑफ क्या करूंगा, 9 मॉडुलस ऑफ 4 करूंगा. 9 मॉडुलस ऑफ 4 करूंगा तो क्या आ जाएगा, 1 आ जाएगा. नहीं है एलिमेंट, तो मैं क्या करूंगा, ओ प्रॉबिंग करना है मुझे. कितनी बार प्रॉबिंग करना है मुझे, 3 बार प्रॉबिंग करना है. ये आसान हो जाएगा मुझे, प्रॉबिंग अगर आ गया तो, राइट. 3 बार मुझे प्रॉबिंग हुआ है, तो मैं क्या करूंगा, मैं आऊंगा 9 प्लस 3 माइनस 1 करूंगा, मॉडुलस ऑफ 2 करूंगा, क्या आएगा 3 9 प्लस क्या या
So ये ड्रॉपिंग कैसे कैलकुलेट करेंगे, बता दी एक बार.
I will tell you that. I will tell. That is what the next in the linear probing I'll be explaining this. I wanted to give a rough example of the probing. Okay, I wanted to give a rough example of the probing. That's the reason I have created that. Okay. Okay. Look on this. Look on this. Look on this. Look on this. मैं की location और कर दिया. Like for example, I want to get some data, but I wanted to get a random number. ये पहले बोलेगा ये store करने के लिए. I will be storing in this order, guys. I'll be storing in this order. Okay. For example, if I get it 5, guys. If I get it 5, 5 has my element. I want to store the 5 in this table, right? So I'll be storing in this form of equation. For example, 2 into की मतलब ये है 5 है. 5 करूंगा, 5 plus 3 करूंगा. 2 5 कितना है, 10 है. 10 plus 3 क्या है, 13 है. 13 को मॉडुलस ऑफ m करूंगा, मॉड ऑफ m करूंगा. ये है m वैल्यू, राइट. सो ये है m वैल्यू. सो m करने टाइम क्या आएगा मुझे, 13 मॉडुलस ऑफ 6 करूंगा. 13 मॉडुलस ऑफ 6 क्या है, 1 हो जाएगा. 13 मॉडुलस ऑफ 6 क्या है, 1 हो जाएगा. That means okay, so here it is nothing but 13 modulus of 6 equal to 1. Okay, इसका value है u. Okay, I'll be telling it why I'm using this. Okay, why I'm using it. Okay, understand this. This is nothing but what, u. Now u is what, 1. U is what, 1. Okay, location. Okay, location को मैं u a कर रहा हूँ. Okay, so I'm coming to here and I'm saving what, 5 here. So this is in this format, we'll save it. Okay, for example, now I'll be saving it like 10 itself. You take it. I will be saying what, 10, right? I'll be saying what, 10. Okay, 10 into 5 plus 3, 10 into 5 plus 3. Okay, mod of क्या, 6 है. क्या आएगा आंसर इसका, 10 5 50, 50 plus 3 is 53. 53 modulus of 6 is what,
3 into 10 plus 3 होना चाहिए ना.
क्या रे बम है. ओके, 2 into 10 है ना. ओके, 2 10 क्या है, 2 10 क्या है,
3 plus 23 mod
23, right? 23 mod 6 is what, 23 mod 6 is what, 5, right? 23 mod 6 is what, right? So that I want to, this is what it is telling, that this u is nothing but 5, right? So the key element is nothing but what here, 5. Here the key element is what, 10, right? For 10 I want to store it in the index called as 5. So I'll coming here and I'll be saving it here, 5. Okay, I'll be saving here 10, right? So one more time, I'll just erase this. ये सभी वैल्यू दूसरे अंकों भी यही है, होता है. ओके, ऑल दिस वैल्यूज आर सेम टू द अदर्स आल्सो. ओके, सो नाउ आई एम कमिंग टू हियर, आई एम टेलिंग इट हैज लाइक कोलिजन होना है. कोलिजन होने के लिए कुछ डेटा मुझे काटना होगा. ओके, आई विल जस्ट से इट हैज लाइक 15. आई विल टेक इट. ओके, नाउ व्हाट आई विल डू इट, व्हाट इज द इक्वेशन गाइस, 2 into 15 plus 3, 2 into 15 plus 3, modulus of what, 6, right? 15 twos are 30 plus 3 is
6 3
33 modulus of 6 क्या आ जाएगा आपको,
3.
33 modulus of 6 3 आएगा, right? So ये हो जाएगा आपका 3 हो जाएगा. So I'll be going for third index and I'll be showing what, 3. Okay, इसका प्रॉबिंग क्या है, प्रॉबिंग इसका 1 है, इसका भी 1 है, प्रॉबिंग इसका भी 1 है, क्योंकि मैंने कुछ नहीं किया, एक ही बार मुझे सॉल्यूशन मिल गया, राइट? एक ही बार मुझे सॉल्यूशन मिल गया. ओके, give me some number which collide, give me some numbers which collide.
सर 15 स्टोर होगा ना थर्ड पे, तो
सॉरी हाँ मुझे थोड़ी नींद आ रही है शायद, इसलिए मैं लिख लिया। ओके इधर किया कि इधर आ जाएगा, स्टोर हो जाएगा। Okay, next one you tell me, next some numbers you tell me which is colliding it, which will collide it. Let me take it as like 20, let me take it as 20
7
into
ठीक है 7
8, 7 collide होगा। Okay, so I'll just take it as 7, right? 7 into 2, right? So key value is what? 7 plus 3, I'll tell it. Okay, tell me what will happen for this one, modulus of 6, 7 2 क्या है 14, 14 plus 3 क्या है 18, 18 modulus of 6 क्या है, ये कहाँ कोलैड हो रहा है
17 से 17 है सर
17 सर 17 होगा।
बहुत अच्छी नींद आ रही है मुझे। ओके सो कैलकुलेशन भी करना नहीं आ रहा मुझे। ओके 17 modulus of what 6, 17 modulus of 6 क्या होगा
5
5 आएगा। Now what is happening is it will go for 5, it will go for 5. What is happening it is colliding it, right? When it is colliding for a key called as 7, it is getting collide. Okay, मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ, मुझे इधर 5 मिल जा रहा है, right? There is a collision now, right? So there is a collision here. So when there is a collision, I will go for one more step. Okay, one more step. If they are telling that whenever you end up with a collision, okay, whenever you end up with a collision, they have formed one equation called as u plus I modulus of m करके, okay, where I varies from 0 to m minus 1. Okay, I varies from where 0 to m minus 1. Okay, so they are telling that I'll be using this equation u plus I modulus of n where I varies from 0 to m minus 1. Okay, मैं अब क्या करूंगा, मैं इधर जाऊंगा, u बोलूंगा, u को बोलूंगा, u को क्या करूंगा, u बोले तो क्या है, what is u means 5, right? 5 plus I starts from where 0, 5 plus 0, what is 5 plus 0, 5 itself, right? So 5 modulus of 6 is what, guys?
5
modulus of 6 is what? 5 itself, right? So 5 itself. Okay, ये हो गया, ये first one हो गया, right? Again one more time I want to come back. u plus I इंक्रीमेंट हो रहा है, 1 हो रहा है, modulus of 6 होगा, क्या हो रहा है ये अब मुझे, what is it doing it? 0. What is this? 0 हो जाएगा, right? 6 modulus of 6 0, right? So it is going for this one, it is going for 0th index and this right क्या इधर नहीं है, तो इधर क्या आएगा, इधर मेरा 7 आ जाएगा, right? So the probing will be, how many times I have done the probing, 1 time and 2, right? Thus the probing will be what, 2 number of times probing. Okay, 2 number of times probing.
Sir, probing will be of 3 times, no?
Probing 2 times होगा ना, पहले इसे probing हुआ, इसे probing हुआ, next इसे probing.
अच्छा, और 2k plus 3
first it will check it. पहले मुझे 5th index के लिए probing आ रहा था, next one 0.
सर यू उसको लेंगे सर जो पोजीशन रिपीट हो रही है,
या
सर यू वो होगा ना सर जो पोजीशन रिपीट हो रही है,
ये इक्वेशन तब जाऊंगा जब ये कोलिजन हो रहा है, whenever it is colliding it, I will go for this one.
यू होगा
क्या ले रहे हैं,
come again question.
वैसे 5 रिपीट हो रहा है तो 5 लेंगे,
हाँ 5 collide हो रहा है ना, when it is going to here 5 is colliding it, when there is a collision I'll be coming to here, so I'll take it, u has 5 itself, u has what 5 itself, 5 plus I, मैं चेक करूं, ये linear collision, linear probing, मैं बोला ना ये ऐसा ही आएगा, linear होके एक चेक करके ही आएगा, this is called as linear probing. इधर भी अगर से इधर भी एक्सिस है, इधर भी नंबर है तो ये नेक्स्ट वन को जाएगा, इधर भी नंबर है तो नेक्स्ट वन को जाएगा, जहां फ्री है उधर आके सेट हो जाएगा। तो इसको कॉल्ड व्हाट लीनियर प्रॉबिंग।
So now u value will be 0, 7.
या
The
Now?
u का value, the value of u will be 0 for 7.
ना 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 5 ही रहेगा, 5 ही रहेगा।
Okay sir.
सर
ओके 5। हाँ
हेलो सर, ये u की वैल्यू इंडेक्स की वैल्यू है या p की वैल्यू है?
क्या बोले?
सर ये जो
नहीं
वैल्यू है ये इंडेक्स की वैल्यू है या
ये जो भी वैल्यू है ना 5 जो भी है ना इंडेक्सिंग नहीं है ये। Indirectly it is the indexing itself. Indirectly it is the indexing itself. I got this value by this equation. I'll get the value by this equation. By this equation I'll get this value. Okay, इसके हिसाब से मैं इंडेक्स को जाऊंगा। अगर से इधर जाके मुझे कोलाइड हो रहा है तो मैं ये इक्वेशन एक्टिवेट करूंगा, दिस इक्वेशन मैं एक्टिवेट करूंगा। Only when there's a collision I'll go for this equation, right? उसके ऊपर मुझे probing आ जाएगा। Okay, that makes the difference. That makes the difference. If I want to access this, if I want to make access this, okay, how do I access this? Okay, for example, okay, which is the key element? Key element is nothing but 7, right? 7 plus probing क्या है? 2 है, right? 2 minus 1 करूंगा, करो क्या आएगा इसका इक्वेशन? मॉडुलस ऑफ 6 करो, क्या होगा इसका?
Oh,
Not 7, not 7, wait a second, here it is not 7, here it is 6, 5 इधर बोलो क्या आएगा?
0.
0 आएगा। That means for searching also it will directly go for here, it will check it, क्या है? 7 है इधर, 7 है, that is the use of this probing. Got it? मैं कितने बार मैं कर रहा हूँ, इधर भी देख लो, इधर भी देख लो, right? So I have it 1 here, right? So I have it 1 here, 1 plus, right? So 1 plus, what is the probing? 1 minus 1 मैं कर दूंगा, right? Modulus of 6 करूंगा, बोलो क्या होगा इसका इक्वेशन? plus 1 minus 1 जाएगा, 1 बचेगा, it will go for first index and it is getting the value. So this becomes your big O of 1, searching करने के लिए। Okay, got it? Got it? You tell me some element. Yes, one more example. I'll just clear it, because for the other thing also same thing you need to calculate the problem. Okay, for other one also you need to do the same thing itself. Okay, one example which is colliding again.
सर k equal
ऐसा
to
collision दो, हाँ
सर k equal to 2 सर,
क्या है? K is equal to
2 सर,
2 आ रहा है ना? Okay, K is equal to 2. Okay, when K is equal to 2, what happens is when K is equal to 2, just calculate it. First, what I'll do it. First step is this one, right? 2 into 2, K is nothing but 2. 2 into 2 plus 3, right? This one's modulus of what? Modulus of what? 6, right? So 2 into 2 is nothing but 4. 4 plus 3 is what?
1.
7.
Plus 7.
7.
7, right? 7 modulus of 6, क्या आएगा? 7 modulus of 6?
1.
1 आ जाएगा, right? 7 modulus of 6, 1 आ जाएगा। ये नंबर नहीं चाहिए रे भाई, एक ही प्रॉब आएगा, 2 ही प्रॉब आएगा ना। मुझे ऐसा दो, ये 5 में आ रहा है, 5 में आएगा, इक्वेशन ऐसा दो, ये 5 में आएगा, मुझे सेटिस्फाई करेगा। Like I will tell it as 2 how much? 2.
Sixteen, sir. 25.
16 आएगा,
Sir, 7.
16 आएगा, 25 आएगा,
सर
7 ऑलरेडी हो गया,
4
4 आएगा पक्का? ओके,
हाँ
4
सर
2 8, 8
4
plus 3 is nothing but 8 plus 3, 8 plus 3 11, 11 yeah 4, right? 4. Okay, I'll take it as key element as what? 4, right? So I'll take it as key element as what? 4, right? I'll take it as key element as what? 4, right? When I'm taking 4, right? 4 into, what is that? 4 into 2, this is the key element, right? Plus 3, 4 2s are 8, 8 plus 3 is 11, 11 modulus of what? 11 modulus of what? 6. 11 modulus of 6 is nothing but what? 5. Again I'm getting it what here? 5 I'm getting it, right? When I'm going to 5, it is what? Already what? It is there, right? Now what I'll do it, I'll switch to the probability, right? I'll switch to the probability. So now I'll switch for the other equation. What is the other equation is telling that? I'll be going for u plus I modulus of what? Modulus of what? 6, right? मैं पहला u क्या है? 5 है, right? So I'll just take it as 5 plus 0 में start करूंगा. 5 plus 0 modulus of 6 होता है क्या? क्या है? 0 हो
5
जाएगा, right? So this is, sorry, it will become 5 itself. Sorry, it will become 5 itself. I cannot do it. Next one, 5 plus 1 करूंगा. 5 plus 1 modulus of 6 करूंगा. ये क्या हो जाएगा? 0 हो जाएगा. This is also I cannot do it. Now again I'm telling it has like something like this, right? What I'm doing it, 5 plus
3
2 करूंगा, right? 5 plus 2 क्या करूंगा? Modulus of 6 करूंगा, right? Modulus of 6 करूंगा. क्या होगा मुझे आप ये
1
दे, right? So इधर जाएगा, नहीं हो रहा है. Again I'm doing it what? 5 plus 3 मैं बोलूंगा. 5 plus 3 modulus of 6 करूंगा. क्या हो जाएगा ये?
2
ये आके मुझे 2 देगा, right? So इधर आके मुझे क्या होगा? इधर आके मुझे क्या सेव होगा? इधर आके मुझे 4 सेव होगा, right? Here it will be 4, right? मैं कितने बार probing किया हूँ? 1 time, 2 time, 3 time, 4 time. I'll get it what? 4 time probing, right? So this is how I'll be calculating the probing. Got this clear, guys? What is picture clear? Okay, guys. Okay, look on this. Quadratic भी ऐसा ही होगा.